My name is Joe McParland. I live in Windsor, Ontario, in Canada. And this is a message that I'm sending out to Google and to all Android users who might find my complaint ringing a bell with them. As we know, Android is a mobile operating system developed and largely owned by Google. It is the operating system for many mobile smartphones, including my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which I love. Their recent update to Android 9 Pie from the Android 8 Oreo brought with it many great enhancements, but it also arrived with the deletion of an app functionality that many of us users have used extensively, and they've deleted it with no consultation at all. Android 9 has eliminated apps allowing users to record telephone conversations. I paid for the pro version of ACR, just one of many hundreds of apps. It's one of the best out there on the market. It automatically recorded all calls, incoming and outgoing, that I had. I was able then, if I needed to make an audio file of the conversation and to save it for later use. This is not illegal in Canada and is a very helpful app, perhaps one of the best apps I've discovered. I'm a writer with a local magazine here in Windsor, BizX Magazine, and I often need to record telephone interviews with subjects. That ability is now gone with little or no notice. Sometimes I will make a reservation for dinner and forget what time I made it for. But all I have to do is simply replay the conversation and I get the right time. The only remedy for users of apps allowing recording is to return to the Android 8 Oreo operating system, but doing so prevents us from enjoying the enhancements of the new operating system, Pie, and puts us at risk for not receiving the much needed security patches that come with Android 9. Google is getting an earful from thousands of disgruntled clients on their website about this move. We can only hope they will listen to their customers and restore this very, very much needed and requested app functionality. If you're trying to control privacy issues, it's not going to happen. I can still use my phone to record conversations. It's just more difficult now. Why not allow us to continue the way we have been, using a much needed app to make life easier for us? You know, there's going to be workarounds to this. We've been using this app for years. Please, Google, do the right thing and restore the app functionality on Android of allowing us to record calls. Thank you.